Priya, before that, I was going through a very rough patch in my life, and I was preparing for UPSC, and I wasn't going anywhere. I mean, I could not see. So I had given two mains, and then I flunked prelims, and there was a lot of confusion happening in my life, and I just wanted to break free from that cycle, and I wanted to explore something different. And because I have a degree in sociology, and I thought that maybe I should explore the development sector and see if I'm a good fit for it. And because of that, I gave the Priya interview and I applied for the internship, and thankfully I got it. I still remember my interview experience, and I first came to the organization's office. I was just so mind blown because I have always been one of those people who loves nature, and I also like cleanliness. So I was really mind blown because I was like, कितना साफ office है, कितना सुंदर nature है, and there are like bird boxes and people are so nice. And Nikita, Suhail, and Pooja were also very nice. So I joined Priya on 15th of January in 2020, which has been 1 year that I'm not adding to my life. I know for sure. So my first 15 days, to be very honest, were I was very disoriented in the first 15 days because एकदम से यूथरा start होने वाला था, and I was supposed to handle team management. I was supposed to handle यूथरा के जो social media है, काफी सारा वो plan the IND sessions and documentation and all of those things. So I remember the first 15 days I used to go back home and think कि यार मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. But I would still wake up the next morning and go to office and see that. So I am an Aries and I tend to jump to conclusions really easily. So I was like, no, this time I won't let this happen, and I will give this a shot. And I'm so glad I gave it this shot. So over the course of next few months, I think I can say that this has truly been a life-changing experience for me, because had I given up that early, I wouldn't have learned so many things that I've learned in the last 6 months. So when I was preparing this presentation, I was just thinking कि मैं क्या लिखूं. I have so much to write, but I finally got to the point where I was like, maybe I should write 8 qualities or 8 things that I've learned in Priya in the last 6 months. So these are the things that I've learned. First is teamwork, then there is communication and event management, then third is working remotely, which is also courtesy to COVID-19, then innovation, research, documentation, design and social media management, and inclusiveness. So I'll just go over these very briefly and step by step. So first is teamwork. I remember when I joined and जब दूसरा हो रहा था, तो मैंने कभी स्ट्रीट इवेंट ना तो ऑर्गेनाइज किया था, ना मैंने कभी पार्ट लिया था उसके अंदर. बट इट वाज ऑल सो न्यू, एंड आई कुड सी कि प्रिया यूथ इतनी सारी चीजें यूथ के साथ करता है, एंड द फैक्ट दैट सो पैशनेट अबाउट इट, एंड स्पेशली कमिंग फ्रॉम निकिता बिकॉज शी हैज बीन पार्ट ऑफ स्ट्रीट थिएटर. So I could see that passion in her. And when I was managing teams and I was managing stuff with Pooja and Nikita, that was one of the things I learned in teamwork. And then youth and democracy fellowship sessions, maybe interacting with the fellows. I remember the first session, I think, was I was very quiet and I was just jotting down everything. And then eventually I realized even though I am an extrovert with my friends, but I can also be an extrovert here. And I end up talking to those fellows, and now I have really good bonds with mostly all of them. Beyond running and chasing, that was the digital literacy curriculum, and we were working on so many different things, and we were brainstorming together. And sometimes I would give ideas even though I was just 15 days old in the organization, and my ideas would get accepted. And that was a big it was a really big thing for me, because I was like, यार मुझे 15 दिन ही हुए हैं यहाँ पे आए हुए, but still everybody is so receptive of my ideas and everything. Also because we were coming from such different backgrounds, and I also learned that you can work with a team that is जिसमें 5 अलग-अलग तरीके के लोग हैं. So that was one teamwork वाला चीज. Then next is communication and event management. Then just like I said that Yutra hua, that was also event management. But uske baad humko Priya Youth mein, I think the biggest opportunity that I got because of Nikita also, was because usne, there was so much creative space in the organization, and there was so much openness and receptivity to ideas कि आप कर सकते थे कुछ भी. So we ended up organizing the slam poetry competition, which was a really beneficial thing. Then the next thing that I really hated in the beginning was the daily deliverables that we had to give. तो कोविड-19 की वजह से वर्क फ्रॉम होम चालू हो गया एंड हमें डेली डिलीवरेबल्स देने पड़ने लगे. एंड उससे पहले क्या होता था, काम होता था 2 दिन में खत्म करो चाहे 3 दिन में खत्म करो, इट वाज अप टू यू. बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस डेली डिलीवरेबल्स थिंग, I ended up realizing that when you do everything on a daily basis, it really brings in the consistency. This was something that I lacked as a person before, and I think this thing has really improved my performance, at least at Priya Youth. I'm sure Nikita, can agree or disagree, but I feel like I ended up being much more productive because of the daily deliverables. Then one more thing that I really learned was that RT sir काफी रेगुलरली मीटिंग्स और डिस्कशंस ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, एंड सर हैज दिस ऑरा व्हिच माय डैड गिव्स मी. काफी सिमिलर पर्सनालिटी है उनकी. एंड आई रिमेम्बर जब मेरे डैड अपने स्टाफ के साथ मीटिंग लेते हैं और वो भी काफी रेगुलर मीटिंग्स लेते हैं, तो मुझे इस चीज से बड़ी इरिटेशन होती थी कि आप हर 5 दिन में क्यों उनको बुला लेते हो, या व्हाट्स द डील. एंड ही सेड दैट इट्स लाइक वर्किंग इन अ वेल ऑयल्ड मशीन. एंड आरटी सर की मीटिंग्स अटेंड करके, एंड वो मीटिंग्स इतनी ओपन होती थी that I finally understood that concept कि पापा सही कर रहे थे, but maybe मेरे को इस तरीके से सीखने के लिए मिला. The next thing is working remotely. So because of COVID-19, I couldn't spend a lot of time in the office, and मेरा Jan से March तक का ही time रहा. At the first 1 month, actually, I was kind of lost, and I was managing my house. I was managing all the household chores, सुबह उठना, काम करना, and then still working and delivering things. I used to end up working like till 9 o'clock sometimes at night, and then eventually that kind of got streamlined, and I started using these new technology platforms that I'm sure all of us did, like Zoom and Google Classroom. और हमने काफी सारी मीटिंग्स उस पर ऑर्गेनाइज की. हमने ये शायद हम नहीं करते अगर ये वर्किंग रिमोटली वाला ऑप्शन नहीं होता, तो हम शायद Zoom और Google Classroom को कभी यूज भी नहीं करते, because we were so used to attending seminars, and we were so used to attending and going to other organizations and all. But this was something, and I had really terrible internet speed throughout these 4 months. I remember Nikita मुझे हर तीसरे दिन शायद बोलती थी शुभांगी वाईफाई ले लो, शुभांगी वाईफाई ले लो, बट आई वाज जस्ट एडमेंट कि नहीं, मुझे इसी स्पीड पे सारा काम करके देना है. सो आई थिंक आई डिलीवर्ड ऑन दैट aspect. So the next one is innovation. This is probably my favorite one so far. And like I said, that working at Priya Youth has been very challenging. At the same time, it has also been very creatively, engaging, at least on my part. And brainstorming with Nikita about the democracy wala game जो हमने बनाया है, and I hope it gets approval, was one of the most favorite things I've done so far in Priya Youth. And हमने उस गेम पे इतना टाइम लगाया. There was a lot of feedback, and we kind of took in that feedback. Similarly, हमने social justice day के लिए videos बनाए, हमने social media के लिए infographics बनाए, हमने articles लिखे, और Zoom पे webinars conduct किए, उसके concept notes वगैरह भी बनाए. We used to brainstorm and do a lot of things together. Then one very important thing that I really learned from this was that when I came to Priya, मुझे नहीं पता था कि एक ही चीज को बताने के 10 तरीके हो सकते हैं. I just thought that lecture method is the only way you can teach somebody something. And when I started doing the digital literacy curriculum, or when I went through all the sessions of YND fellowship, and how so many things like dance movement therapy has been used, identity maps have been used, then transit walks have been used, and other sort of things, जैसे normally अपने आप को letter लिखो, ये चीज use कर रहे हैं self सिखाने के लिए, या आप अपने पेरेंट्स को लेटर लिखो, या आप अपने को क्या फील करते हो, द आइडिया. जैसे नंदिता मैम ने भी एक SHW का लिया था, जिसमें she asked us to draw a circle, a periphery, and all of those, and rank people in order of closeness. So these were very things. And then Kho साथ में जो digital literacy के Kho games, we designed so many activities, and I myself have designed I think 7 or 8 sessions for which I did a thorough research. मेरे को इतनी बारी feedback आया उसके ऊपर कि आप ऐसे करो, ये वाला game design करो या जो भी, which I'm very thankful for. And I ended up designing, I feel like I ended up designing really good sessions. तो दिस वाज वन थिंग कि गेम से भी कोई सिंपल सी चीज जैसे साइबर थेफ्ट सिखाई जा सकती है. फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने आकाश ने एक गेम बनाया जिसमें आप खो खो ही खेल रहे हो, बट जो नॉन ऑफिशियल्स हैं वो जो स्कैम करते हैं वो वाले स्टेटमेंट्स लेके बैठे हैं, और जो ऑफिशियल्स हैं वो कोई स्टेटमेंट नहीं लेके बैठे हैं. सो इट वाज जस्ट अ वे ऑफ शोइंग दैट जो ऑफिशियल लोग हैं बैंक के, वो आपको कभी भी ये बोल के अप्रोच नहीं करेंगे कि सर आपके अकाउंट में 50,000 रुपए हमने भर्ती कर दिए हैं, आप हमें अपना ओटीपी दे दीजिए या सीवीवी दे दीजिए. सो दिस वाज वन थिंग दैट आई थॉट कि यार अगर आप लेक्चर मेथोडोलॉजी से ये चीज सिखाओगे तो हो सकता है बच्चों को नहीं समझ आए, बट इफ यू teach them through a game or through a very engaging activity, then it has a really good impact. Then at the same time, जो हमारे फेलोज हैं YND के, उन लोगों को काफी प्रॉब्लम आई बिकॉज ऑफ COVID-19, and a lot of them had to change their projects like twice or thrice. और वो लोग ऐसे मतलब we used to regularly call them up and हम उन्हें Nikita even joked about this that शुभांगी तुम्हें अपनी CV में लिख देना चाहिए कि तुम 20 projects कर चुकी हो, because I ended up telling them about so many new innovations that they could do in their project and how they could really make use of the situation that they are in and not think कि COVID-19 हो गया तो हम ये नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. For example, if I have to tell you, मेरा एक fellow है जिसको मैं mentor कर रही हूँ, his name, and he's working on animal abuse, and that topic is very close to my heart, Mohini and Adarsh Nagar, and he wanted to work with the community children and उन लोगों को अवेयर करना था एनिमल राइट्स के बारे में, एनिमल अब्यूज के बारे में, but he couldn't do that because he's in UP. So I told him that Ashish, you can still do a lot of things. You can still look for shelters in Delhi and you can raise funds for those people. आप अपना social media page बनाओ, वहाँ पे trails की, indies की stories डालो and आप fundraise करो. And we ended up raising funds for a puppy, for a dog named Rocky, and he ended up raising $1,200. So that was a big achievement for me because उन्होंने मेरी बात सुनी, and this was one of the things in the YND fellowship that वो जो आपको space देता है, शायद ही कोई organization उसकी space देती होगी. Then the third thing, the sixth thing is research. Participated research के बारे में मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था. मैंने ज्वाइन किया उससे पहले मुझे ये लगता था कि research means आप जाते हो, सर्वेज इकट्ठे करते हो, या आप प्रॉबेबली कुछ एक सैंपल साइज लेते हो, या फिर आप थोड़े बहुत फोकस डिस्कशंस करते हो, एंड दैट इज अबाउट इट. और मे बी यू रेफर टू लाइक हीप्स एंड हीप्स ऑफ बुक्स एंड आप उसमें से कुछ एक चीजें डेटा वगैरह निकालते हो. बट यहाँ आने के बाद आई रियली अंडरस्टूड व्हाट पार्टिसिपेटरी रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी इज, एंड दैट हैज बीन रियली लाइफ चेंजिंग बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि आई यूज्ड टू बी वन ऑफ दोज पीपल दैट अगर चेंज लाना है तो कम से कम 1 लाख लोगों के साथ आना चाहिए. बट PRM taught me that अगर 10 लोगों के अंदर भी वो चेंज आ रहा है, then you've done your work because it's a cycle after that and it's a chain and people teach their learnings to other people. And I feel like when we go in a community and we do PRM, तो हम जो 10 लोगों को सिखाएंगे वो शायद इतना इम्पैक्टफुल ना हो बजाय उसके कि जो गांव के लोग अब दूसरे गांव वालों को सिखाएंगे. And I've seen that because I live in a farm house. और अगर मैं किसी बच्चे को बोलती हूँ कि स्कूल जाना इम्पोर्टेंट है तो वो शायद नहीं सुनेगा. बट इफ अ किड सीज कि उसकी फ्रेंड शी इज डूइंग सो वेल इन स्कूल whereas she is not even attending school, she is not interested, she might get more encouraged to attend school. So this was one thing. Also coming to secondary research, this was one time जिसमें concept notes बनाना, report writing बनाना, lots of things I did, and for that I did hours and hours of secondary research, which was मुझे नहीं लगता कि अगर मैंने UPSC नहीं दिया होता तो मतलब उस चीज का मुझे कभी एक्सपीरियंस होता. बट UPSC में भी चीज ये है that you do a very general kind of research. You have to be jack of all trades वाली चीज है, but you never know the depth of something. So in secondary research I can vouch for this. When I was designing the fake news session, मुझे फेक न्यूज के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता था. आई हैड नो आइडिया कि उसको एक्चुअली चेक कैसे करते हैं या कौन सी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चेक करती हैं. बट when I ended up designing the session, अभी मैं आंख बंद करके फेक न्यूज के ऊपर सेशन दे सकती हूँ. मेरे को इतना कुछ पता लग गया है. And I'm not bragging, but like this is the truth because मेरे को सब कुछ याद हो गया literally. Then also I took personal interviews of fellows very recently, and that kind of taught me that how to take interviews and what all questions to ask, how to probe the other person to kind of get a proper response. So that was again, and this was I think sort of self-taught, but it was very important because ये जो पिछले 5 महीने से मेरा build-up हो रहा था, personality में change हो रहा था. I think that was the reason that I ended up taking pretty good interviews, and I've written stories. I'm sure all of you can read it whenever it's uploaded. Similarly, documentation. I used to be somebody जिसमें मुझे लगता था मैं बहुत अच्छा लिखती हूँ, and but जब मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम रिपोर्ट सबमिट की अपने वेबिनार की, मुझे उसमें इतने कमेंट्स आए कि आई हैड टू रीराइट द एंटायर रिपोर्ट, एंड आई वाज irritated obviously, but at the same time I was also inspired because it was the first time that somebody has said to my face that you've not written well, and that was something, and it's not easy for me to accept that because like uh, I've always been good at stuff I do. So that was a big learning moment. Then again, designing sessions from scratch for digital literacy, which I told you about, and then report writing. So all of these things. In fact, when I was writing modules for the first time, जब हमने Foster sir ने stakeholder analysis का session लिया था youth and democracy का, and I remember being so mind blown by that session कि मुझे अपने notes भी नहीं देखने पड़े थे उसका लिखने के लिए, because मुझे हर चीज एक एक word याद हो गई थी उस session में. And I remember thinking कि whenever if I do research, then I'm definitely going to think about this session and definitely use this session. So first time modules लिखना थोड़ा मुश्किल था, but I finally slowly got the knack of it. So this was part of documentation, and this is also one of my most favorite things. So when I joined Priya, मुझे सिर्फ सोशल मीडिया, वो भी इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल करना आता था, फेसबुक भी नहीं आता था कुछ अच्छे से, ना हिंदी टाइपिंग आती थी, कुछ भी नहीं आता था. मतलब मैंने कभी सीखने की भी कोशिश नहीं की, बट निकिता was somebody who finally pushed me into like she said कि you should learn Canva design and तुम करके देखो, तुम जैसा भी बनता है बनाओ, because she was pretty good at it and she's very happy that हमने उसका premium वाला version भी ले लिया है. So I ended up designing one or two things and they were rubbish. मतलब शुरू में वो इतने amateur से लगते थे, but over the course of 5 months, I feel like I've gotten pretty good at it. So much so that I was planning to design this entire presentation on Canva had it not been for my slow internet. Then at the same time, social media पे stories use करना, videos use करना, photos and very engaging stuff. What is going to actually catch the audience attention? And we were struggling to increase our followers on Priya Youth. अभी भी हमारे, मेरे ख्याल से मैंने check किया था last, so there were about 446 followers, and when I had joined there were somewhere around 420 followers. And बहुत छोटा सा ही change है शायद 20 लोगों का, but it's still a big deal for me because that shows that हमारा content थोड़ा कहीं ना कहीं engaging लगा लोगों को. And the last thing, it's probably very minuscule for a lot of people, that Hindi typing and translation, but this is something that I'll always be grateful for. Had it not been for Priya, I would have never even learned to type in Hindi or to बहुत सारी चीजें translate करने में भी Google, पहले इतनी बारी Google use करते थे for every word, and then eventually with practice I ended up doing a lot of things on my own, to be honest. Last but not the least is inclusiveness. So this is something that Priya has taught me, and I don't think I might be wrong, but I don't think there is any other organization that has such work culture, because यहाँ पे लोगों की लैंग्वेज क्या है, आप हिंदी को भी उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंस देते हैं जितना इंग्लिश को देते हैं, रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस को भी प्रमोट करते हैं, डिफरेंट कल्चर्स को प्रमोट करते हैं. देयर इज नो बायस व्हाटसोएवर व्हेन इट कम्स टू जेंडर, और व्हेन इट कम्स टू ड्रेसिंग साइज, और व्हेन इट कम्स टू body size, something that I used to be a little like conscious about. And when I joined Priya, I was slightly overweight, and I ended up losing weight, and there was no difference in people's opinion of me. कोई किसी ने मुझे बोला भी नहीं कि you look thin or whatever, which was a little upsetting, but still. And at the same time, when I joined, यहाँ पे शुरू में हम जनवरी या फरवरी के टाइम पे we used to play badminton and volleyball and different kinds of volleyball, which I think people underestimate the importance of sports in the kind of bonding it has and the kind of impact it has on bonding of people. I used to play basketball in school, and I was I was a state level player, so I know what impact it has on team building and team membership and everything. जब मैंने देखा कि यहाँ पे स्पोर्ट्स इतने अच्छे से यूज होता है एंड पीपल जस्ट प्ले इट आउट ऑफ विलिंगनेस, उनको कोई फोर्स नहीं करता है खेलने के लिए, वो अपने से ही खेलते हैं, एंड you end up becoming good friends with other people. For example, I think it was only because of sports that मैं विक्रम से और शांता मैम से और सुशांत से, इन लोगों से इतनी क्लोज हुई थी, because we were on the same team a lot of the times and we were winning, and it was a really good it was a very good experience. Lastly, flexibility काफी दी जाती है, एंड मेरे को लॉकडाउन में जितनी मुझे प्रॉब्लम्स आई हैं, मुझे नहीं लगता किसी और को इस लेवल की प्रॉब्लम्स आई होंगी, बिकॉज निकिता कैन अग्री ऑन दिस. आई यूज टू कॉल हर एवरी अदर डे सेइंग कि मेरा नेट नहीं चल रहा है, या मेरे यहाँ लाइट चली गई है, या मेरे को काम ज्यादा है, मेरा पानी नहीं आ रहा है, समथिंग लाइक दैट. एवरी सिंगल टाइम सुहेल एंड निकिता हैव बीन so understanding, and I'm really grateful for that, because had it not been for them, I would have probably gone back in the month of May and said that मेरा हो गया है. But because they were so understanding, they said आप 2 ही time आओ week में, if you don't feel like coming up मत आओ. So this was a really good learning experience for me, and I also felt very like I belonged in the office. Like I was just not an intern. I was always given the the kind of treatment an employee would be given, and an old employee would be given. So these are all the things I learned at Priya. And I also have a special mention slide for Nikita. And because so this is for her. And this is Kevin. He's from The Office, which is a show that she loves. And the quote that you see is very similar to what Nikita is. So this is just a special mention for her, because she is the coolest person to work with. We have so many inside jokes. We laugh at really silly things. And I remember एक Dice Democracy का ही mail था जिसमें she even mentioned that I came up with the title, which is a big thing for an intern, because usually employees intern को उतना credit नहीं देते हैं, but छोटी सी छोटी चीज के लिए भी she used to tell me कि नहीं तुमने करा है, तुम बोलो, तुम mail भेजो, मैं क्यों भेजूं. And that time I didn't understand the importance of that, but now that I look back, I think कि उस टाइम अगर उसने मुझे वो क्रेडिट नहीं दिया होता तो मे बी वो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आता. नाउ शी कॉल्स मी द पर्सन हु गिव्स गुड टाइटल्स. So she also encouraged me to take risks, and I ended up learning Canva, which was a really big deal for me. And I'm very glad that she can finally remove me from the speed dial wala list, and because I'm probably the most frequently called contact on her phone right now, and she is also on mine. This was my presentation. I hope you guys liked it.